Hey, what's going on here? Aw, for crying out loud. Where the heck is my slipper? Come on. That's great. You? What did you do with my slipper? What do you mean you don't know anything about it? Partners in crime, I'm not going out there with a bare foot. I'm not a wimp. I'm just not going to go. Hey? Where did you put my slipper, Pook? Gerd? Gertama Gerd? Pook? Where is it? There it is. Oh, jeez. Pook, it's not a toy, okay? That's my broken slipper from my broken foot, which is going to go into the garbage very shortly. The slipper, not the foot. Okay? Are we done with... Are we done with oranges, or do we want more? What do you think, Gertie? You don't care. Oh, they had 2 spoons of oranges today. Because I slept away pretty much the whole day. What are we going to get for you guys to eat? Ooh, you know what I have? I don't think Puka can eat this stuff. Let's go see. Let's go see. I had... Where did it go? Maybe I don't have... Oh, there it is. Ah, it stinks like chicken in here. Okay. I had this breaded schnitzel crap. Yeah, Puka's not going to be able to eat this. No, it's too hard. Okay, Goody, you can eat it. And... No, you know what? I'm going to boil it to soften it up later. You guys are going to eat dry food, okay? Because I don't think I have... What do I have here? Oh, I've got the chicken. Of course I've got the chicken. Give it to you so it stops smelling. One piece at a time? Yeah. Your nose. Ugh! It's stinking. Hey. Oh, Pookie, Pookie, Pook, 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 Pook. Did you get it, Pook? Did you get it? These pieces are too big for Pookie. Ow! Oh, Puka! Ouch! Right between the nail and my skin. Ouch. It happens. Hey, Puka, jump. 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 Good boy. That's a good boy. It's just the way Dar used to jump. You want to lick my fingers? Oh, you still have some there. Okay. I'm worried the pieces I'm giving you are too big, Pook Pook. Okay, that's it. That's it for me.